reflection about Maya Angelou's I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings is a remarkable personal narrative that discusses the themes of identity, survival, and prejudice. Through her beautiful prose, Angelou recalls her formative memories, addressing the incredible consequences of trauma and discrimination of her growth. The caged bird metaphor represents the battle of freedom and self-expression amidst persecution. Angelou's lyricism and fortitude are evident throughout her journey, motivating readers to face their own problems and embrace their voices in a world that frequently wants to quiet them. My analysis about I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings is a powerful autobiographical work by Maya Angelou that chronicles her formative years, emphasizing the themes of identity, resilience, and the impact of racism. Through her storytelling, Angelou recounts her experiences growing up as a black girl in the segregated American South, detailing the trauma of sexual abuse and subsequent struggle for self-identity and empowerment. The metaphor of the caged bird symbolizes the limitation imposed by societal oppression and personal trauma, while also reflecting the yearning for freedom and self-expression. Angelou's journey from silence to self-advocacy illustrates her remarkable resilience in overcoming adversity. The narrative also emphasizes the importance of literature and education in shaping her identity, as she finds solace and strength in the written word. With its lyrical prose and vivid imagery, the story resonates deeply with readers, serving as timeless testament to the power of the human spirit and the enduring quest for freedom and self-acceptance.